children, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are well and healthy. Now, as you know, it's prayer time. So today we will do Hindi prayer. But before this, we will join our hands and close our eyes. Om Bhurvasvaha Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Open your eyes. So now it's time to do meditation. Let's begin. Through this meditation, you can keep your body calm and relaxed. And now study time. And first lecture is of EVS. And in EVS, today we will do one activity related to chapter bird's name. Okay, which is matching. So for that, take out your EVS notebook and mention date and day on top. And date is 29th of September 2020 and day is Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday. After this, you have to write topic, which is bird's name, matching. Okay. And in this activity, what you have to do? First, you have to recognize the picture and then you will match the picture with its correct name. Okay. Like first picture is a peacock. Which picture is this? Peacock. And what is the spelling of peacock? P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. So let's find where is the spelling of peacock. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. This is not. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Yes, this is the correct spelling of peacock. So we will match the picture with its name. Okay, like this. Next bird is swan. Which bird is this? Swan. And what is the spelling of swan? S-W-A-N, swan. S-W-A-N, swan. So let's find E-A-G-L-E, eagle. This is no. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. No. S-W-A-N, swan. Yes, this is the spelling of swan. Okay. So we will match the picture with its name like this. Okay. And next bird is eagle. Which bird is this? Eagle. And what is the spelling of eagle? E-A-G-L. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Okay. So let's find the spelling of eagle. Oh, it's here. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. So we will match the bird with its correct spelling. Okay. Now moving on to next picture, which is of owl. Which picture is this? Owl. And what is the spelling of owl? O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. So let's find the spelling of owl. D-U-C-K, duck. This is no. Parrot, parrot. No. OWL, owl. So we will match the bird with its name. Okay. And next bird is ostrich. Which bird is this? Ostrich. And what is the spelling of ostrich? OSTRICH. 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 So let's find the spelling of ostrich. Duck, no. Parrot, no. Owl, no. OSTRICH, ostrich. Yes, this is the spelling of ostrich. So we will match the word with its name. Okay. And next bird is duck. Which bird is this? Duck. And what is the spelling of duck? DUCK, duck. DUCK, duck. So we will match the bird with its name. Okay. And last bird is parrot. Which bird is this? Parrot. And what is the spelling of parrot? PARROT, parrot. PARROT, parrot. So we will match the bird with its name. Okay. So children, this is your EVS work. Okay. Now moving on to next subject, which is Hindi. And in Hindi, today we will do फलों के नाम. Okay. So for that, take out your Hindi notebook and write date and day on top like this. Okay. And then you have to write topic, which is फलों के नाम. फलो, ये ओ की मात्रा है. ओके. फलो, फलो. क ए, ये ए की मात्रा है. क ए के. न आम, ना. फलों के नाम. ओके. सो लेट्स राइट. अ आ म, आम. अ आ म, आम. और इसको इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं हम? मैंगो. नेक्स्ट फल इज अनार. अ न आ र, अनार. अ न आ र, अनार. And next is lychee. L E च ई, लीची. ल ई च ई, लीची. And next is पपीता. प प ई त आ, पपीता. Next is ananas. अ न आ, अना. न आस, नास. अन्ना, नास. अनानास को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? पाइनएप्पल. ओके. एंड लास्ट इज नाशपाती. न आश नाश, प आ त ई पाती, नाश पाती। और नाशपाती को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? पेयर। ओके, लेट्स रिपीट अगेन। आम आम, अनार अनार, लीची लीची, पपीता पपीता, अना नास अनानास, नाश नाश, पाती पाती, नाश पाती। Okay, so children, this is your Hindi word, and you have to write each spelling 2 times. Okay, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay healthy.